Pozdrav ljudi, dobrodošli na Croatian Gaming Channel. Danas krećemo sa prohodom igre Dying Light koju sam nabavio i prije samog početka moram pozdraviti Dejana Reichera iz Gline od kojeg sam kupio igru po vrlo povoljnoj cijeni. Dejane, hvala ti puno. I sada možemo krenuti lagano. Igrat ćemo na normal. I krećemo.
HUD activated. Commence briefing. Data on the subject, Kadir Suleiman, a local political figure hired to maintain order after the outbreak. His brother Hassan died in a disease-related incident before we were able to evacuate him. Suleiman blamed the GRE for Hassan's death. He stole a highly sensitive file which became his bargaining chip against the GRE, with instructions to publicize it if anything happened to him. Data on the subject, the stolen file. It details the incomplete process of synthesizing a cure for the virus. If implemented in its current state, the produced substance may be extremely toxic. Also, the file contains full description of the virion's structure. Any attempt to use it would result in countless lives lost. It must be recovered. Further information, current status. Suleiman sent the file to an associate unknown to us, with instructions to publicize it at his command at any time. To counter that, we instituted a citywide communication jam, preventing him from publicizing the file. Your GRE-issued radio can overcome that jamming. It is your lifeline. Do not lose it. Suleiman has since gone underground and begun using a different name. We have reason to believe he now leads one of the two main factions operating within the city. You are to find Suleiman and locate the stolen file in order to save mankind from a disaster of unprecedented proportions.
Znači, moramo pronaći tog Suleimana i nekakav file dobiti koji kao nosi spas. Čovječanstva, klasična priča. Vjerojatno ništa komplicirano, ne očekujem baš neku prejaku priču.
Break his legs, then take him to rise.
Super, već bi noge lomio.
Stop! Loud noises draw them.
Au. Super. Super lako.
Fall back! Fall back!
Ne znam šta je gore. Ova trojica ili ovo što dolaze. Da. Sve. Oho. Šta se sjetim Terminatora? Come with me if you wanna live. Ajde, nosite me. Neću voljela hodat. Sada što se paga se boji. A da, vi bježite, ja trpim. Ne idem izgoriti.
Tower, this is Jade. Get sickbay ready. Got a guy with a bad head wound and a bite on one arm.
Oh shit, Amir's hurt?
No, Amir is gone. But I'm bringing in someone who might still survive.
One of us?
We'll see.
Blackout. Odlično, znači imam ranu na glavi i ugrižen sam. To sam ugrižen i jako dobro.
You pinch him. You're scared. I'm not scared. Then pinch him. He blinked. What? He blinked again. What if he's a zombie? Zombie! Run!
Bježte, djeca. Poješću vas. kontrolu konačno. Malo pogledati. Baš je vruće. Ajde da vidimo. Do kud možemo doći. To jest kud možemo ići. Ma ta se dere.
You sleep for 3 days like a dead man, then scare children? Off to a great start, 31.
Where am I?
In paradise, can't you see?
Ne vidim paradajz nikakav.
Okay, enough joking around. Head to room 190. The boss will leave.
What do you mean 31?
Ask the boss.
Dobro, idemo vidjeti paradajz. Nema tu paradajz za palma. Neko cvijeće i ovo. Nema paradajza.
31. That's your number.
Ok. Tako kažeš. Ne zanima me.
I'm being died because of this guy? Quiet.
Šta je šamar?
Fuck quiet. Now he's gonna get a meal something.
And you are?
Crane, 31.
Oh, right. How's your head?
My head?
Got it. Listen up. Until the boss says so, you are not on the list. So go talk to him ASAP and let's get things moving. Now, if you'll excuse me.
Ma nisam ni htio doći, samo da znaš. Aha, očito treba ići gore. Po stepenici, evo ga. Haj. Mogu. Dobar dan. Dobar dan, ima koga? Halo? Gleda televiziju. Ne, nijemo naći ovog. Joksima. Kako se ovo zove, ne znam. Yo.
Hey, I'm looking for the... Are you the boss?
What, am I too young? You got the problem with my age?
No, You wanted to talk to me?
That's better. Do you remember anything? Know what you are?
Yeah, I can see this is some kind of shelter.
We call it the Tower. Brecken and his runners put it all together a couple of months ago, and we've been here ever since. Hunting airdrops, scavenging, and rescuing people.
Yeah, I wanted to thank that girl.
Good, because if not for her, you'd already be chewing somebody's knee bone. Your Anderson was totally crushed, by the way. Only thing Jade could salvage was your radio.
Oh, great. So can I get that back, please?
Actually, I think I need it more than you do.
Believe me, pal, that's not the case.
Fine. Take it.
Ja, mislim.
You know why runners put their lives in danger? For guys like you. So now you take the antigen meant for someone else, and you won't even share your gear with us? I don't have time to deal with your bullshit. I've lost contact with one of our guys thanks to the fucked up radios we're stuck with. Do something for me, would you? I don't want to see you or your precious radio anymore, so go be useful somewhere else. We don't tolerate lazy assholes here in the tower.
Hey, be fair. I'm not lazy. I'm just, hey, boss.
Save it. That last guy I mentioned, he's only on the 13th floor, but he might as well be trapped in a mine cave-in. Come back later. And I'm not the boss. Too young, remember? I'm Rahim. Brecken's in charge here.
Okay. Kako hoćeš. Dobro.
I'm not lazy, you little shit.
13. Gdje je to? Exit. Aha, mislim da znam. Sup. What's up, my nigga? Dobro. Hi.
Where do you think you're going?
The 13th floor. I'm getting some stuff for Rahim.
13? Shit. That's gonna be some dirty work. But we all got to pull our weight around here, huh?
Ajme, seriju otvori. Mrak je. Hvala.
Jesus. How many people died here?
Ko da je Dead Space. Kad puno krvi posula. Dobro je da su kolica prazna.
Crane here.
Where were you? We've been waiting for your report. It's been over 70 hours.
I lost my radio for a while. Don't worry, my cover's intact. No contact with the tower's leader yet. Unable to confirm identity. I'm taking steps to blend in.
Acknowledged. Time is of the essence, Crane. Remember that.
There's one more thing. I got bitten. I've shown no symptoms, but the people here say I'm infected.
Then you'd better get your hands on some Antizin ASAP,
Help!
hadn't you?
Help! Somebody!
What the hell?
Ajme cjevčicu, pa idemo. Aj, hvala Bogu, sad mogu sprintat. Tu. Jup. Ješ. Aj, dobro. Samo dam.
I cut my arm getting away from him. Oh, God.
Ne laži, ugrizi
You
te.
had to kill him, didn't you? God damn it! That was my brother. I came down to see him and...
Easy, easy. It's all right now. I'll get help. Hey, Raheem, this is Crane. I'm down here on 13th. Listen, this guy of yours got fucked up pretty bad getting away from a zombie.
Oh shit. 31? You went after Mark? Is it safe down there?
You know, it's safe enough now.
Okay, don't move. I'm sending Lena downstairs.
Take care of Mark.
Hey, hold still. Lena will be here any minute.
Gauze. You've got to find some gauze. Oh, and alcohol. Combine them. That will stop the bleeding.
Ti bi sad alkohol.
Harry.
I try to stay calm, okay? I'll be right back.
On bi sad pio, a ranjenje, bože budale. A nije, donijet ćemo ti alkohol, ajde. Kad se već navale, nadam se da mi neće zaskočit nešto. Jej! Da, mogu sam si mislit. Čali. Pa dobro. Nešto ćemo možda nagraditi uskoro onda. Aha, evo tu gdje. Sad ćemo se naroljati, ja i moj prijatelj Gricko. Jel tu? Da. Još mi treba gazu. To je to. Samo da nešto ne skoči za vrat. Možda. I ako me zaskoči, urisnut ću koturica. Opa. Može, odlično. E, tu bi se mogla na...
Okay, I think that's everything I'm gonna find. Let's give this a shot.
Ogledalo fenomenalno. Idemo još se nešto može naći. Ništa, traperice, tenisice smrdljive. O. Konzerva. Nadam se da ima nešto nje. Ništa. Dobro, ništa, idem mi pomoć. Daj, daj. Blueprints. Create. Ok. Ko? E sad je ovaj Mickey Joe. Tu je, šta nije? Ne. Tu sam našao cugu. Gdje je ovaj? Gdje si Milane? Aha, tu si. Ajde. Da te pokrpamo malo.
Okay, who's hurt?
He's bleeding pretty bad.
Let me see him. Gauze and alcohol, huh? Pretty primitive, but it'll work. Thanks for the help. I'll take care of him from here.
Dobro, još bolje. Nema mi se trčkarat okolo. Zbog nje. Koliko vas ima sad jedan put?
Well done, 31.
Hey, 31. Not bad for a new guy. Perhaps I misjudged you.
Yes.
I just want to help out and repay you guys for what you did for me.
Well, good. Come find me, and we'll talk about how you can do that.
Dobro. Idemo gore. Ja se ispričavam. Ovo kihanje je bilo totalno namjerno. Gdje si sad? Mali.
Alright, taken care of. Piece of cake. What else you got for me?
Well, let me think.
Rahim, you are just smart enough to be dangerous, you know that? Omar told me about your plans for the nest. Explosive charges? Really?
What? Explosives?
Oh,
Never said
please.
that.
You can't tell a convincing lie to save your life.
I know what I'm doing.
Yeah? You think you can't die?
You're not my mom.
No, I'm not. Our mom's dead. So you might want to be a little nicer to me since I'm the only family you have left. Especially now that Amir is gone.
You're Jade, right?
Right?
I just wanted to thank you for what you did for me and tell you how sorry I am for your loss. I owe you and Amir my life.
Yeah, you do. You want to return the favor? Keep my dipshit brother from killing himself. No explosives, Rahim.
Jesi čuo? Nebo ti ja uši ščupam.
So, is that enough? Do I get to talk to Brecken now?
First, go change your clothes. I left some new ones for you in your room. You're in 194.
Something wrong with what I'm wearing?
You need something that fits the job Brecken wants you to do. Call me when you've changed.
Okej. Unutra se presvuc. Gdje mi soba? Zaboravio sam koji broj je rekao, 100... Ne, 94. Hello. Ili 194, ne. Pogled. Dobro. Sao. Stanje na školjci. Mogu nogu namočiti unutra? Ne mogu. Tadam! Stavim u zraku. Treba presući se. Gdje je roba? Tu? Ne. Gdje je roba? Ima tu? Ne, ništa. A tu? Krevet mi je ono. Posljednji kri tehnike. Dobro, ajde. To sam skužio. Change, ajde. Da se presvučimo, da gledamo ko moron pravi. Pa idemo dalje.
Okay, Rahim, I'm ready. Where do I find Brecken?
Not so fast, 31. If you're going to earn your keep, we have to find out if you've got the skills. So get your ass up to the gym. It's on the top floor. Just a couple flights up.
Jel sa liftom ili da trčim? Trčim što, majko. Majko mila. Dobro, ovo će sad biti tutorial o kretanju, pa ćemo to preskočiti. Tako da nastavimo samo sa pričom. Tako. Tutorial je preskočen. Sad idemo dalje sa pričom. Moramo s ovim razgovarati očito.
Oh, you're the new scout. Rahim radioed me about you.
Yeah, that's me. Name's Crane.
I'm not gonna bother learning your name till you survived a few days, but here, this is for you.
Wow.
By the way, word around the tower is you're just another deadbeat in line for food or antizin. By which I mean, the people here don't much like you. But don't blame them. It's easy to get paranoid when you're isolated. And since somebody's jamming communications to the outside, there's plenty of paranoia to go around. Whole damn city with nobody to call for help but ourselves. You bring me some supplies from the airdrops, though, and you'll see people change their tunes in a hurry. That shit's a game changer.
Thanks. I'll bear that in mind. Listen, is there anything else? I'm in a bit of a rush.
Also, if you're looking to get more popular, you can try helping folks. Do a few favors, they might like you more. Might even find a woman. Keep you warm at night.
Wow. Dobro. Take. Ok. Ajde, da, tu nogu u stola. Šima. Aj bok. Da, ti imaš pušku, ja nogu od stola, fenomenalno. Dobro, nisi me valjda poslali po mraku vani. Haj.
Going outside, yeah?
Ja. Ja sam ti malo lud. Dobro,
Okay, new guy, be careful out there. We've lost too many already.
nisi mogao odmah otključat. Oči, moje oči. Nije mi ništa, ajde, idemo dalje. Ajde.
Okay, noob. You've got Dr. Zera set up in a semi-trailer on a fenced-in playing court. When you leave the tower, hang a left and head due south. You can't miss it.
It's Crane, kid.
All right. Crane. Just keep moving. There's no time to take in the sights. And try not to make too much noise. Sound attracts those fuckers.
To smo apsolvirali već. Šta više rogljaš, više zombija ima. Ovo je bolilo. Nisam baš najbolji put odabrao, ali nema veze. Imamo čiste zabave. Bing! Ćao. Da. Dobro. Gdje smo? Wow! Ko lupa? Daj mi... Htio bi naći nešto da se mogu nadograditi neko oružje. Ne mogu... Neću sad previše baljezgati okolo. Dobro je to. Šta je ovo? Nac. Dobro. Da vidimo. Možda nađemo šta korisno. Ili nađemo zombija koji će nas pojest lice. Ništa. Dobro. Mogu tu van? Naravno da ne. Tu se neko sve jedno beči pa idemo ča. Idemo ča. Aha. Divno. Tu bi se moglo naći isto nešto. Odlično. Baklava. Može baklavu, baklavu obožavam. No mi je sad jedna... Kalije. Cuga, to... Ohohoho. Šta je to? Metalpipes. Dobre, za gradnju oružja, super. Ništa, idemo naći ovoga. Malo po smeću. Odlično. Mislim da bi tu trebalo biti negdje blizu. Skoro sam skočio dole. A može i hoću jer vidim da ove biljke sigurno mogu pokupiti nosom. Još idemo ovuda. Tu sam jednom našao u vodi dobru kutiju sa dobrim stvarima. Možda i sad nađem nešto pametno jer sam oko 5 zombija. Ili 6. Nemam pojma. Headshot! Headshot! Au! Bruce Lee! Ča! Nadrapat! Zbog tih gluposti takvih. Mislim da je ovdje to. Da. Tako. Treba bi više ovog parkura raditi. Tako da se mogu nagraditi malo. Deri se deri. Ove špicevi će mi doći korisni. Doći mi dobro kasnije. Kad se nadogradim napad. A vidjet ćete kako da sam već vidio to. I super je. Opa. Aha, ovdje moram ići, to sam si mislio. Toing, 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 toing. Bruce Lee! Aj! Au! Kozo! Bruce Lee! Toing, toing. Toing, 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 toing. Uja! Ti nisi gotov. Ja ću umriti. umalo. Samo malo sam se ukakio. Ulaze mislim s gornje strane. Opa. Ne bješte od mene. Jo! Ej, momak! Ma daj, pusti me na miru. To, šak mu glavinu. Bježi. Bjež, čuna. A, shit. I... evo nas. Da sigurno. Molim? Mogu doći? Ući? Ne? Doturi! Moguć. Krsteno. To nema nikoga sigurno. Momak! Halo? Tu uđeš, niko te ne smirva. 5-9. Jel tebe moram pitat? Ništa. Pa dobro, šta sad? Ja sam došao. No, međutim, nikom nisam zanimljiv tu tamo. Bok. Ok. A probamo...
Doctor? Hello? Anybody there?
Camden, are you there? Damn it.
So, I'm supposed to get a vaccine?
What? No. Suppressant. It's called antizin. Suppresses the symptoms. Here, sit. Antizin postpones the inevitable. Best the GRE could do.
Inevitable? So, there's no cure?
It's a variation of rabies. There's no cure right now. But you see, I've been running tests on both antizin and infected tissue. A cure is possible. Definitely possible.
Oh shit, you really think you can figure it out?
With Dr. Camden's help, yes. I think so. Now where did I put that injector?
And who's Dr. Camden?
A colleague trapped in Sector 0, where the outbreak first, broke out. We've been collaborating via radio, though we would have made more progress if the connection were better. Also, if my earlier experiments had borne fruit. I tried injecting recombined versions of the virus into chunks of meat and leaving them around the city, hoping some of the infected would eat them, so I could observe and document the results.
But they didn't?
It bore no fruit. I'm ashamed that I wasted so much time on it. No reason to hold any antizin in reserve now. In any case, all right, I'm quite busy, so on your way now. What was I doing?
No. Ja se pitam. Dobro. Sad idemo.
Speed keeps you alive.
Okay.
Rahim, Zara checked me out and gave me another shot.
Okay, great. That ought to hold you. For a while. Which is good, because I'm starting to get used to the idea of bossing you around. So, time for a real trial. Go talk to Spike. You'll find him near Zera's truck. He's got the first real job for you.
Šta čitaš?
Hey, Spike?
Hi, Spike.
I'm Crane.
Reci.
Just what I need. More unskilled labor. All right, shut up and pay attention. There are two types of airdrops. One has food, first aid supplies, survival gear, and such. The other kind is filled with antizin. The GRE sends in a one-way video feed that lets us know when they're on the way. Look, the trouble is, the airdrops with antizin keep getting raided by Rise's thugs. And without antizin, we're basically screwed. Rise and his boys only operate during the day, because going out after dark is a dandy way to get killed. But the next two antizin drops are coming down right at sunset tonight, and Brecken means to go after them. This may be our only chance to reach the airdrop.
What's my part here?
Well, as I said, going out at night is basically suicide. Or it would be if I hadn't been setting up safe zones and traps out there for weeks now, which I have. Now, Brecken and his team will be okay tonight so long as you get out there now and arm those traps. That's your part.
All right. What are these traps and how do I arm them?
You'll see. I'll be talking you through it. Just remember, without these traps, Brecken won't survive the night. And if he doesn't come back with antizin, we are lost. Before you head out there, grab some firecrackers. Made them myself. They make a fine distraction if you get in trouble.
Okay. Dobro. To u principu to, jel? Mrš van. To znamo, to smo vidjeli u demu. Daj se popni gore, što se čora. To mogu van, a? Okej. Sad bi trebalo... Da, nemam riječi za ovo. Aha, to je kao save zone, tu se stigne. Tu i tu, aha. Ja idem uvijek tamo, dobro, nema veze. Znači, moramo ići tamo negdje. Da. Nećete ovaj put. Ovaj put nema ručka. Barem što se tiče mene. Potražimo malo.
First, the car. Open the hood, connect the battery, that'll arm the trap.
Aha. Dobro.
Jade here. Is anyone outside right now? Urgent help needed.
I'm outside, working for Spike.
You're Crane, right? Listen, our runner's trying to secure one of our safe houses for Brecken's mission. He's in a courtyard by Vefa and Mimar, surrounded by zombies. We gotta help him.
Alright, I'm on it.
Au. 5. Bravo, imam kontra smjeru odmah. Skill pointova imam. Dobro. Survivor. Šta imam? Dobro da znam to. Ništa imam samo. Starter kit. How to craft maybe... Aha, dobro. To je dobro za crafting. Ok. Idemo dalje. Da, normalno moram kroz 4 horde zombija. Buzz off, hajde. Nauču se raditi petarde. To je bilo korisno znati i ovako. Otvori Marija vrata, ništa. Molotov. Tele, odlično. Tako ću otvorit ću kafić, zvaću se Molotov. Specialitet. Naravno, Molotovlju koktel. Haha, dobra ideja. Daj mi ništa. Kopam smeću džabe. Dobro, idem tu. Daj mi ništa. Kragu. Evo, komunalac je bio, ispraznio kante. To je lijepo. Idemo dalje. Au. Dobro. Debilano. Ajde, skoči gore. Tako. Plin. Ćemo uzeti i baciti. Uiii! Tek toliko, zato što možemo. Idemo se popet gore. Trebali bi ići u onu smjeru. Riskiraš skok. Da. Glavno ste. Ajmo sad. Dobra. Joj, daj mi nešto dobro. Komad plastike, jeee. Dobro. Sve će nam dobro doći. Ajme. Mislim da je ovo malo previsoko za skakanje. Pa ćemo ići da. Au! Ja sam na krov skočiti. Popni se, ne, ćete ugristi za dupe. Nešto puše. Kiša će. Aha. A probat ćemo osigurati ovu
Okay, Jade,
zonu.
I'm here, along with some infected.
Watch yourself, Crane.
Okej. Tu sam marš. Boing. Ding. Ding. Krivi gumbik, majmune. Čike. I... Ovi ljudi su očito... Sad znam, to je područje iz dema. Nešto pisalo. Aha, to za poput se gore neću. Ne vidim ovim otvoriti. Ili
Oh man, I think it's too late for this guy.
Yep.
All right. Finish it.
Okay, it's done. Fuck.
You had no choice. He wasn't human anymore.
Honey.
Now hurry. You still need to turn on the lights. That's the only way to make this place safe at night.
I dobre torbe, čovječe. Ha, još volim trebale. Šta ovo? Blueprint. 230 volti. Evo, noći sam kako napraviti 230 volti. Okej. Dobro, sad možemo vanje, tako. Tamo je taj save zone. Jel još moram nešto napraviti? Vjerojatno. Turn the power on to unlock. Aha, pa tako mi reci. To se vjerojatno tu radi negdje. Evo unutra. Aha. Tik, 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 tik. Klik. Save zone. Woohoo, bebe.
Ah, shit.
Da. Ništa, idemo van. Pa ćemo nakon...
How's it coming? Got the lights on?
Yep.
Almost. Just give me a second.
Onda ćemo završiti kada obavimo misijicu. Ovdje sam mislio da ću uspjeti. Naravno da su zatvorena vrata. Baš me zanima šta bi vi ljudi da ako ispadne neka zombi apokalipsa. Mi blentavi koliko jesmo gameri, nam bi to bilo čak i cool. Reci bogom glavi. Bogom, ne bogom. Jo! Nećeš. Mislim da vas ima previše. Vidi ovoga. Aj padni, padni, padni. Kretenu. Opa. Odlično. Aj padni ti. Ajde, ajde, ajde. Ajde. Ovo je bio bungee jumping, samo bez bungee-a. Ovo je bilo dobro staviti na cijev. Šta mi snijecno onda. Mislim da pada mrak uskoro, a to baš nije zdravo ostati vani. I sad bi bilo dobro izbrisati. Ovo riskirat ću motor potražiti brzo. Baterije, odlično. A šta volim kad me dišu za vratom. Šta je ovo? Skup morona. Ćao. Bježi, bježi, kamo da idem, sad sam izgubio. O bok. Ništa, ja sam zombi. Bježmo. Nismo baš nešto previše našli dobroga. Nešto jesmo. O, $110. To. Da. Ne znam ljudi šta biste vi da se ovako nešto dogodi. Baš me interesira. Pa ako neko hoće može mi iskomentirati. Pa ako ne nikom ništa. Bože moj. Opa. Bilo bi zanimljivo možda. Znam da je to. Čekaj, šta? Ne razumijem šta traži sad od mene. Aha, ovdje bi trebalo doći. Vidi mene, budale. Kroz noge. I pao si ja jadan. Aj, popni se, tako. Nema. Ima li tu čega? Nema, to je u redu. Tu treba gore. Ali ne tako. Ma znam ja šta treba, samo viš svotao sam. Znači još malo pa smo došli gdje treba. Ne znam kuda kroz krov vjerojatno. Ili s druge strane. Kako bilo, nadam se. Odlično.
Crane here.
Report.
Okay, I met this doctor, scientist type. They've got him set up in a sort of research trailer and he's working on a cure for the virus. His name is Zera. Hello? Do you copy?
Affirmative. Secondary objective added. Maintain your cover and secure all of his research. Acknowledge.
Your stolen file still takes top priority though, right?
Affirmative. We find it unlikely that a single researcher working out of a trailer could produce any significant results. But if he does, we want to see it.
Okay.
Jade, it's done.
Good. We'll need to prepare more places like that one. We've got more spots picked out for future safe zones. Spike will mark them on your map later. And Crane, thank you. Back to you, Spike.
Right now, you need to get back to our main task and arm the next trap. There's another car close by.
Got it.
Dobro ljudi, to će biti to za ovaj prvi put. Idući put ćemo nastaviti s ovom odličnom igrom kojom sam se oduševio u demu i mogu reći da me nije razočarala niti malo. Još jedan pozdrav Dejanu i hvala mu na izuzetno povoljnoj cijeni za ovu igru. Ljudi, vidimo se idući put u drugoj misiji. Kad će biti ne znam, ali evo, kad bude, bit će. Ljudi, pozdrav od Čunoslava, zvanog Čuna. Ako vam se sviđa video, stavite like, platite se, šerajte, recite prijateljima, napravite si sendvič, popite kavu, pivu, gemišt. Eto, toliko od mene za ovaj put. Vidimo se, bok.